Ever wondered if you can use paysafe without creating an account? It's a common question, and today, we're diving deep into it. Let's find out. Part 1. The Basics of Paysafe. What is paysafe? Paysafe is a popular online payment method that offers a safe and secure way to make transactions. It's widely accepted by online merchants, especially in the gaming and gambling industries. How does paysafe work? To use paysafe, you typically purchase a paysafe card, which has a unique 16-digit code. You then enter this code at checkout on the merchant's website. It's like using a prepaid gift card. Part 2. The Account Question. The common misconception: many people think they need to create an account to use paysafe. But is that true? The answer: not necessarily. While creating an account can offer additional benefits, it's not mandatory. In most cases, you can use a paysafe card without an account. Part 3. The Benefits of Creating an Account. Enhanced security. Creating an account can provide extra security features, such as two-factor authentication and account monitoring. Easy management. If you frequently use paysafe, an account can simplify managing your transactions and keeping track of your balance. Additional features. Some paysafe accounts may offer additional features like the ability to link bank accounts or credit cards, making transactions even more convenient. Part 4. The Process of Using paysafe without an account. Step-by-step guide. Here's a quick breakdown of how to use paysafe without an account. Purchase a paysafe card. Find a merchant that accepts paysafe. Select paysafe as your payment method. Enter the 16-digit code from your paysafe card. Complete your transaction. Part 5. Common Questions and Concerns. Security concerns. Is it safe to use paysafe without an account? Yes, paysafe employs robust security measures to protect your transactions. Limitations. Are there any limitations to using paysafe without an account? In general, there are no significant limitations. However, some merchants may require an account for larger transactions or recurring payments. Account creation process. If I decide to create an account, how long does it take? The account creation process is usually quick and straightforward. To summarize, you can use paysafe without creating an account. While an account can offer additional benefits, it's not a requirement. The choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. If you're still unsure, consider trying paysafe without an account and see how it works for you. And if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.